Why do some compliments make her smile? Ever wondered why some compliments light up her face while others fall flat? We're diving into the art of complimenting, a skill that can elevate your dating game. It's not just about telling her she's pretty, it's about delivering compliments that resonate on a deeper level. If you want to stand out, keep watching. Before we dive in, please like this video to help spread the Stoic philosophy. If you're not subscribed, hit that button and activate the bell so you never miss an update. If you enjoy this topic, comment 1. If not, comment 0 to help me improve. Now, let's get started. What do you think? Sometimes, the most profound compliment is a question. Asking, "What do you think?" invites her into a conversation and shows you value her thoughts. This simple inquiry communicates respect and admiration for her intellect. Next time you're curious about her perspective, ask her opinion. It deepens your connection and shows genuine interest in her insights. I've learned so much from talking with you. Telling her you've gained insights from her is a powerful compliment. It's not just about showcasing your knowledge, it's about valuing hers. Be specific. If she shared enlightening views on politics or introduced you to great music, express your gratitude. This acknowledgement fosters mutual respect and enriches your bond. You'll look amazing as always. Complimenting her appearance can be tricky, especially early on. The phrase "you look amazing as always" is timeless and sincere. It shows appreciation for her presence without focusing on fleeting trends. This compliment affirms her beauty and individuality, creating a sense of security in your relationship. That was a good joke. Humor is a vital part of connection. Acknowledging her sense of humor with "that was a good joke" shows you appreciate her wit. Whether in person or through text, responding with genuine laughter fosters a light-hearted atmosphere and deepens your bond. "You're not like anyone I've ever met before." This compliment celebrates her uniqueness without falling into the cliché of "you're not like other girls." It acknowledges her quirks and individuality, reinforcing her worth beyond societal norms. Let her know her distinctiveness is cherished, creating a deeper connection. You're good at what you do. Complimenting her work ethic shows you recognize her dedication and passion. Whether she's an artist, musician, or entrepreneur, acknowledging her efforts validates her journey and inspires her to keep pursuing her dreams. "I feel like I'm so much better when I'm with you." This heartfelt sentiment highlights the positive impact she has on your life. It's not just about physical attraction, it's about emotional resonance. Expressing this deep connection fosters trust and vulnerability in your relationship. "You have such incredible hair, lips, and eyes." Complimenting her specific features shows you notice the details that make her special. Be genuine and avoid objectification. Focus on what makes her unique. This appreciation fosters a deeper connection and respect. "I admire your work ethic." Acknowledging her determination and perseverance is a powerful compliment. It shows you value her efforts and contributions, reinforcing her worth beyond physical appearance. "What do you think?" Asking for her opinion is a profound way to show respect and validation. It invites her to share her thoughts and reinforces her role as an active participant in your conversations. As we wrap up this exploration of meaningful compliments, reflect on what you've learned. Have you discovered new ways to express appreciation? Share your insights in the comments. If you found this video helpful, like, share, and subscribe for more enriching content. Together, let's cultivate meaningful connections and foster a culture of appreciation. Thank you for being part of our community.